Hello, this is Santya Nityanandan, and this is the eighth homework of the coursework EADG 6370, which is about hard processor system. The objectives of this laboratory are how to learn how to install Linux on the DE1 SoC board and to write a program for HPS using the embedded system design, also to drive DE1 SoC peripherals from the HPS. So this is the main code. This code demonstrates how to control GPIO from the HPS side of the DE1 SoC. The main idea is to interact directly from the hardware register instead of going through any drivers. To do that, the program first opens DevMem, which gives it permission to access physical memory. Then it uses mmap to map the HPS peripherals register space in the program visual address space. Once this mapping is done, every GPIO registers can be accessed just by reading or writing to specific memory locations. After the mapping is ready, the code configures the GPIO pin connected to the user LED as an output. This is done by writing the GPIO direction registers. As a quick function check, the program flashes the LED twice by setting and clearing the LED bit with short delays. Once the test completes, the program starts the main loop. Inside the loop, it continuously reads the GPIO external port registers to check the state of the push button. The button uses active low logic, so the code converts the input and masks the button bit. Whenever the button is physically pressed, the LED output bit is set and the LED turns on. When the button is released, the LED bit is cleared and the LED turns off. This happens in real time because the loop never stops running. Overall, the program shows three key concepts: how to map hardware registers into user space, how to configure GPIO direction and write the output pins, and how to read an input pin and use it to control hardware. It's a compact example that shows direct register level control on DE1 SoC HPS without relying on higher level libraries. Now let me run this code by giving make command. Now that we are inside the directory, I gave make command. So it gave me these two extra files. So let me copy this file and paste it in my pen drive. So now let's check the output in the board and desktop by connecting this pen drive. Now I connected the pen drive into the FPGA port and the Linux system got activated. Now let me give root and enter. So let me make a directory. Now we have HPS GPIO file inside the directory. I'm entering the directory again, and let me copy this HPS GPIO file. And let me paste it. Let me run this HPS GPIO. We can see 2 times the LED got flashed. Now if we press this button, the LED flashes, and if we release it, it gets switched off. Now let me stop the simulation and check the size of the file. So it shows 16K. Thank you.